Morning jury members, I Shambhu Kumar from IS College of Technology, Bhopal. I am very much grateful to KPIT for giving me this golden opportunity to demonstrate my project absorption of CO2 from the environment and generation of green energy. This experiment consists magnesium, CO2 compressor machine, CO2 storage tank, CO2 source, reaction tank having 3 valves inserted inside a container filled with water and a thermometer. This is the CO2 compressor machine. It having 2 valves. One is inlet valve, other is outlet valve. Inlet valve is connected to CO2 source and outlet valve is connected to CO2 storage tank. It works in two strokes. In first stroke, it sucks CO2 from the CO2 source with inlet valve. In second stroke, when compressed, it releases CO2 from the outlet valve, which is stored in CO2 cylinder. This process will be continued according to capacity of cylinder. This is the reaction tank. It has 3 valves. First valve is connected to CO2 tank. Second valve through which we can pour the magnesium, and third valve through which waste gases comes out. For the ignition of magnesium, we are using some wooden pieces which are already burning inside the reaction tank. After that, we open the valve of CO2 tank and pour the magnesium through valve 2 in the reaction tank. Inside the reaction tank, carbon dioxide reacts with magnesium and produce magnesium oxide and carbon and huge amount of heat. Then this heat is used in the boiling of water and generate vapor. Then this generated vapor is in the generation of electricity with the help of a steam turbine and generator. By this experiment, global warming, melting of glacier and respiration disease problem, etc. can be easily sorted out. Also, magnesium oxide and carbon used for the commercial purpose.